My name is Fartuun Adan. I came from Somalia, especially Mogadishu. I'm the director of Elman Peace and Human Rights Center, and we work in Mogadishu and different regions in South and Central Somalia.
Women's issues, as we know, are more than just women's issues. They're families' issues, they're economic issues, they're security issues, they're justice issues. And they matter to all of us, men as well as women, boys as well as girls, those of us who live in free countries, as well as those of us who don't.
We are working to empower women. We have a program called Sister Somalia. The Sister Somalia is the program we are working with the rape victims. And those women in Somalia, we have a lot of women who are getting raped, and we wanted to have a voice to those women and come out and seek for justice. Thank you for having us here. And also, I would like to talk about on behalf of those women. It's a really, really fabulous women. And the work we do, it doesn't matter where we live, it's always the same. As a women, we share one word, which is silence. Whatever place we are, we're always quiet. We don't talk, we don't say anything. We just listen whatever someone tells us. And that is the way we are now to change. I'm a mother, I have 3 girls. And I have to be a role model, not only to them, but to all young girls. And not only Somalia, but all over the place. We need to speak out. We need to involve. We need to be part of the change. And politically, decision making. If you are working, then you could you can have more respect your community, your family, even your husband, and that it makes more women. It gives a confidence, and it gives more like, I am a woman, but I can do whatever I want. And we are teaching that. It's not only older women, but young generation to come out and to be a leaders for tomorrow. I'm praying we will have a good government to protect the women and children, because those are the people who are suffering. We are suffering because we don't have a rule of law. And if we don't have that, then we don't have a peace. And if you don't have a peace, we don't have anything.
For courageously championing the rights of women and youth in Somalia through post-trauma support provision, skills, training, education, and advocacy, and for never losing hope for a peaceful Somalia, we honor Fartuun Adan as a woman of courage.